let's try making butter chicken and waffles. I'm back in school and apparently it's waffle day. I never had waffle day when I was in school, so I thought, you know what, this is the perfect chance to test it out. We'll start by making a wet batter mixture and a seasoned flour mixture for the fried chicken, and this is all using similar spices for my butter chicken recipe like ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste, chili powder, garam masala, all that good stuff. And the chicken is marinated in buttermilk along with the same spices. So I'll plop the chicken into the flour, give it a good press, and then into the batter and deep fry until golden brown. Next, I'll dip the fried chicken into a waffle batter and stick this in our waffle maker until it's cooked. Lastly, I made some butter chicken sauce from home and we'll use this as more of a dipping sauce. Unfortunately, when frying the chicken, the oil took way too long to heat up that the parents had already came to pick up their kids from school, which means they can't taste it. So we're just left here alone experimenting with this recipe and have to try it ourselves.
I don't know, it's the sweetness that's a bit off, you know? Butter chicken isn't supposed to be that sweet, but the batter from the waffle is making it...
I mean, me personally, I'm not a big fan of the butter chicken. I would eat this.
You would eat that?
Yeah, I would eat this. Like if I was out, I'd try it. A 7.3 out of 10.
7.3? That's high, man. I'm giving this like maybe a...
Like a 4?
No, it's not that bad. Like, it's not bad, but it's just odd. I'm gonna give this maybe a 6.8 out of 10. To make it better, I wouldn't add any sugar in the batter.
I think without the sweetness from the waffle batter and maybe even using some hot honey on top, oof, I think that'll be pretty good.
Oh, wow.